Hey, it's Nick Powell here from the Upgraded Executive podcast and also the founder of Stronger Self. So I've been a customer of SelfDecode now for around about 3 years, and it's a brilliant service. When I first had my DNA sequenced with 23andMe, it didn't actually tell me a great deal. So I was left wanting for information, and I tried a few different services on the internet, but couldn't find something that really gave me the actionable insight I was looking for until I found SelfDecode. I also use SelfDecode with all of my private clients. So when they have a DNA sequence as well, it's the first place I tell them to go so that they can start to get their own actionable insights. One of the big discoveries for me from running my data through SelfDecode was my energy levels were really off. I was walking around, I was feeling fine, didn't feel as though my energy levels were poor at all. But when I actually ran my data through, what I discovered is that I don't process and I don't recycle vitamin B12 very well. So that then prompted me to get a blood test, and lo and behold, it came back saying I had low B12. Well, actually, the doctor said I was normal, but well, within the normal range, but I was really on the low end of normal. So when I started supplementing with a particular type of vitamin B12, also found through SelfDecode called hydroxyl B12, my energy levels went through the roof. So I was walking around thinking everything was fine, but I didn't really know what good felt like. The reason I trust SelfDecode with my clients is that all of their data is backed up by clinical evidence and also is backed by really good solid science. So I know if I refer clients to SelfDecode, they're going to get great actionable insights. Have a great day. Cheers. Bye.